Boom! At exactly 16 hours your body flips the most powerful fat-burning switch in human biology. After 16 hours without food your body stops storing fat completely and starts burning it at maximum speed. 5 massive biological changes are firing inside your body right now, and this video reveals every single one. In the fed state your body runs on glucose and constantly releases insulin to store everything you eat. It takes exactly 16 hours for your body to fully transition from sugar burning into powerful fat burning mode. Once glycogen stores hit zero your body has absolutely no choice but to burn stored body fat instead. As insulin falls to its absolute lowest point your body unlocks its most powerful fat burning and repair systems. Today we cover all 5 science-backed changes your body goes through at the critical 16-hour fasting mark. Let us break down exactly what 16 hours of fasting does to every single system inside your body today. The first and most important change at hour 16 is insulin dropping to its absolute lowest fasting baseline point. Insulin is your storage hormone. When it stays high your body locks fat away and cannot burn it. Research confirms insulin drops to its fasting baseline at hour 16, completely unlocking your body's fat-burning capabilities fully. When insulin falls this low your fat cells finally open up and release stored fat as direct usable energy. This is the core difference between a body that stores fat and a body that actively burns it. Low insulin also gives your pancreas a complete rest period, which dramatically reduces your risk of type 2 diabetes. Regular intermittent fasting improves insulin sensitivity by up to 30%, making your entire metabolism dramatically more efficient overall. Lower insulin levels at hour 16 dramatically reduce chronic inflammation throughout your entire body right down to the cellular level. With insulin low, your liver begins converting stored fat into ketones, a powerful clean-burning alternative brain fuel source. These ketones travel directly to your brain and heart, providing cleaner and more efficient fuel than glucose ever could. Insulin drop is change 1, and change 2 is where your fat burning truly explodes into maximum overdrive. Change 2 is the one everyone wants. At hour 16 your body enters its most powerful fat-burning state. The process is called lipolysis. Your fat cells literally split open releasing fatty acids directly into your bloodstream now. Fat oxidation, the rate your body burns stored fat, reaches its absolute peak at exactly the 16-hour mark. Studies show fat burning accelerates significantly between hour 12 and hour 16, making that extra weight absolutely worth it. Research confirms extended fasting specifically targets visceral fat, the dangerous fat packed tightly around your internal organs first. Human growth hormone surges up to 300% during fasting, actively protecting all your muscle mass from breaking down. Contrary to popular belief, fasting at 16 hours does not burn muscle. Growth hormone actively and completely prevents that. Fasting also spikes norepinephrine, a powerful fat-releasing hormone that simultaneously increases your metabolic rate and total energy output. Consistently hitting the 16-hour mark 3 to 5 times per week produces measurable body composition changes in just 4 weeks. Ketone fuel produces more energy per molecule than glucose, making your body significantly more efficient at absolutely everything it does. Fat burning is change 2, but change 3 is the most scientifically remarkable thing fasting does to your body. Change 3 is autophagy, your body's cellular self-cleaning process that only fully activates after extended periods of fasting. Autophagy creates membrane sacs that capture damaged cellular components and recycle them into usable energy and fresh building materials. Autophagy research won the Nobel Prize in Medicine in 2016, proving how critically significant this fasting benefit truly is. Autophagy activates significantly at the 16-hour mark, making this the critical threshold for cellular repair and self-renewal to begin. Autophagy acts as your body's cellular quality control, removing damaged and potentially dangerous cells before they can cause harm. By recycling damaged cell components, autophagy directly slows and partially reverses cellular aging, explaining why fasting extends healthy lifespan. Autophagy cleans your brain by removing misfolded proteins directly linked to Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease development over time. Autophagy regenerates your immune cells during fasting, making your entire immune system significantly stronger and more responsive to all threats. Fasting triggers mitophagy, recycling old damaged mitochondria and replacing them with newer, more powerful energy-producing versions inside every cell. Autophagy is change 3. And change 4 is what intermittent fasting does to your brain and mental performance. Change 4 is one people notice immediately. At hour 16, your brain clarity and focus sharpen dramatically and powerfully. Fasting triggers BDNF, brain-derived neurotrophic factor, which literally grows brand new neural connections inside your brain right now. Research shows fasting increases BDNF by up to 400%, dramatically improving learning, memory, and overall cognitive performance. Ketones provide steadier, more consistent fuel to your brain than glucose, completely eliminating the mental crashes after eating meals. Fasting naturally increases dopamine and serotonin sensitivity, making you feel significantly calmer, more focused, and emotionally more stable overall. Studies show fasting significantly reduces cortisol and neurological stress markers, producing measurable reductions in anxiety and mental tension throughout your day. Many people report experiencing their sharpest mental focus and clearest thinking during the 16 to 18-hour fasting window. Evolution designed your brain to become sharper during fasting because heightened mental alertness helped our ancestors hunt and survive effectively. Long-term intermittent fasting is linked to significantly lower risk of Alzheimer's disease and age-related cognitive decline in research. Brain upgrade is change 4, and change 5 is what 16 hours does to your gut and hormones completely. Change 5 is the most underrated benefit. 16 hours of fasting completely resets your gut and entire hormonal system. Fasting gives your gut microbiome time to fully rebalance. Good bacteria thrive while harmful bacteria populations dramatically decrease during fasting. Fasting activates the migrating motor complex, a powerful cleaning wave that sweeps your intestines clean only while fasted. 90% of your body's serotonin is produced in your gut, and fasting dramatically optimizes this critical production process. Regular fasting recalibrates your hunger hormones, making you far better at distinguishing real hunger from emotional or habitual eating patterns. Fasting allows your gut lining to actively repair itself, reducing intestinal permeability and dramatically improving your overall digestive health long-term. Fasting also optimizes thyroid function, which directly controls your metabolic rate and energy production throughout your entire body effectively. Fasting significantly reduces gut inflammation, which is why many people with IBS report dramatic symptom improvement from consistent intermittent fasting. At the 16-hour mark, your entire hormonal system reaches a state of balance rarely achieved through any other means. That is all 5 changes. Now here are the exact science-backed steps to implement 16-hour fasting correctly starting today. You now know what happens at hour 16. Here is exactly how to get there correctly every single time. Step 1. Set your eating window from 12 p.m. to 8 p.m., giving yourself a clean 16-hour fast daily. Step 2. Water, black coffee, and plain tea are completely safe during your fast and will not break it. Step 3. Always break your fast with protein and healthy fats first to avoid a sharp insulin spike immediately. Step 4. Add a pinch of salt or electrolytes to your water during fasting to prevent energy crashes completely. Step 5. Exercising in the final 2 hours of your fast maximizes fat oxidation and accelerates every single fasting benefit. Follow these 5 steps consistently and you will unlock every single benefit of 16-hour fasting starting from tomorrow morning. Avoid these 4 common fasting mistakes. They are the reason most people fail to reach the 16-hour threshold consistently. Intermittent fasting is not for everyone. Always consult your doctor first if you have any existing medical conditions. Within 30 days of consistent 16-hour fasting, most people experience measurable improvements in body composition, energy, and mental clarity together. When all 5 changes activate together, your body enters a state of maximum health that almost nothing else can replicate.